Hi friends, let me show you this new portable toilet that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed to use it when you are camping or to bring it in your car if you have small children or if you are going to do a long trip in a desert zone or a long trip with no communities. As you can see, it's really portable, really small, but when you unfold it, how easy it is to put it together. You get some bags to use it, or you can buy extra bags whenever you need them. Okay. You put the bags inside. You put the bag inside, and then the seat part, okay, it holds up to 400 pounds. So it's good enough for any person. And you even can close it like that. Also, you get this support accessory to put maybe your phone or anything that you're holding in your hands and toilet paper. So this could be your camping toilet. You put it away or inside a special tent or whatever, and you are ready to use it when you need it. When you put it together, also, you get this bio gel. This is a special gel that you put inside, and it's aimed to solidify the liquid. So it's easier for you to handle the garbage after using it, okay? So you get all this, easy to use. When you are done, when you are finished your trip, you take this away, take the garbage out of it, and you fold it back again really easily, okay? And you can put it again in its bag, in its carrying bag. Where you can also put the extra bags, the toilet paper accessory, and the bio gels that you have available. Okay? So that's it. And you are ready to go. Easy to get with you somewhere else. Thank you.